1 month later. Oh my god, what a mess! I need to get this house cleaned up. What's this? A letter? From Jessie? What's going on? Dear Anne, I am writing this letter to tell you that I have moved to another city. There is an open position at another location of the gallery I am working for, and I have agreed to move there. I'm really sorry that I didn't tell you this beforehand. Please forgive me. I realized that things between me and Jack were just temporary. I still miss Peter, and the memories I have with him very much. I need time and space to think. Again, I'm really sorry for this sudden news. Yours truly, Jessie. I wonder what happened between her and Jack. Show me where the money is, or I'll kill you! Okay. You can take whatever you want. I won't tell anyone. Please spare me. What? Jack? What are you doing? Do you have a death wish? Get your hands off me! Whoa! Chill out, I'm just joking. What's wrong with you? You don't seem too happy. Yes, I'm really not happy right now. Don't mess with me. By the way, what happened between you and Jessie? Nothing. Nothing? Are you sure? I think you're hiding something. Can we please not talk about her right now? I'm really not in the mood for it. Okay, so what's up with the house, Jack? What about it? I think it's perfectly fine the way it is. Fine? How is this fine? I can hardly find a space to stand. Your clothes are everywhere, and it smells so bad. Ugh! What is that smell? Did you not bring out the trash? Okay. I was a bit lazy when you were gone, okay? We can clean it together now, right? Don't be so mad. Whatever, Jack. Alright, let's start cleaning the living room first. Then we can move on to the kitchen. How about you clean up this mess yourself? It is your fault, after all. Oh, come on. I know you adore me. Please give me a hand. Pretty please. Ugh, fine. One last time, you got it? Yes, ma'am. You are the best. Hello, Anne. Do you miss me? Alice, you little rascal. When are you coming back? Why? You miss me, right? I know it. Anyway, I'm coming back tonight, actually. And I have a big surprise for everyone. What surprise, Alice? Why didn't you say anything about it? I haven't prepared anything. No need to prepare anything. You will see. Just wait. Don't be so impatient. Why do I have a bad feeling about this? You are being overdramatic, Anne. You will love this surprise. See you later. See you, Alice. Ugh, all that cleaning for what? Nothing. Why so? Alice is coming back. She's going to trash the house anyway. She's not that bad. Well, you're right. Anyway, she also said she was bringing home a surprise. What surprise? Who knows? Would it be a surprise if I already knew? Okay, we can wait for it then. Hi, everyone. Alice, so this is the surprise you told me about? Who is he? Yes, isn't he great? Come, I will introduce him to you. Edward, say hello to Anne. Anne, this is Edward. He's going to stay here with us from now on. What? I meant nice to meet you. How do you know our lovely Alice? Nice to meet you too. I met her in Italy and we have been friends ever since. She also told me a lot about you. Really? That's nice of you, Alice. So, where are you from, Edward? I'm from Canada. Cool. What about your job? Oh, I'm a director, just like Alice's dad. I see. Well, make yourself at home, Edward. Do you mind if I have a word with Alice privately? Oh, no problem. Alice, you didn't tell me that he was going to move in here. Oh, I knew you wouldn't have any problems with it. Besides, he is such a great person. You'll love him when you get to know him better. But still what? I knew you wouldn't refuse anyway. We have enough space in the house, don't we? We do. But you still should have asked Jack and me before bringing someone new home, Alice. All right, I know. I'm sorry, all right? I'll remember to do it next time. There's going to be a next time? You never know. What are you doing, Edward? What? Are you filming me? Yes. Now smile. Smile for the camera, Anne. Would you please stop that? I didn't agree to this. You are invading my personal space. You are doing so great, Anne. You could actually be an actress with that expression. Just stop. Alice! Alice! Where are you? Come over here now! What's up, sis? Why so noisy? Can you please tell your friend to stop filming me? I'm getting really annoyed. Oh, come on. He just loves his job so much. Don't you, Edward? Besides, you look great, Anne. Alice, I need you to tell him to stop. All right, Mr. Director. You can stop working now and take a break. You don't want to mess with Anne. Okay. Alice, come see this. This is really great, Anne. What if this footage gets aired on television and you become famous? Don't you forget me then. I can be your personal assistant if you want. Looking like that? I don't think so, Alice. Edward, please don't do something like that again. I will not condone that behavior in this household.
I'm coming. Hey. Oh, Emma, long time no see. How are you doing? I'm feeling great and miss you so much. That's why I'm coming over. Yeah, I miss you too. It's been a month since we last met each other. Well, what are you waiting for? Come on in. Mom, this is my friend Emma. Good morning, Mrs. Smith. It's a pleasure to meet you. You're welcome, darling. Please, make yourself at home. Can we have her for lunch, Mom? It's been a while since we haven't talked to each other.
Sure, it will be lovely to have a guest in our family today.
Emma, shall we go upstairs to my room? Great! Wow, your room looks amazing. Thanks! I've recently decorated it with some pictures I've taken for the last year. I'm so glad you like it. Look,
That's us at Nick's birthday party last year. We had a great time back then, right, Layla?
yeah, those were such great memories.
This is so beautiful. Where were you?
Oh, this was our summer holiday to Italy earlier this summer.
Italy? I've always dreamed of visiting Italy.
I took this picture while our family was drifting on a canal in Venice.
The scenery was spectacular.
We got a chance to enjoy the beauty of the city as well as time to relax.
How about this one?
That's when we were at the Colosseum. My father is a big fan of this place, so he insisted on getting there.
I guess you had a really good time in Italy.
Yeah, it was unforgettable.
What's that amazing smell?
I think my mom's cooking in the kitchen. Let's go downstairs and see what she's doing.
Do you need a hand, Mrs. Smith? Oh, aren't you girls chatting in Layla's room?
We'd love to help you with some cooking. What are we having today?
I'm going to make seafood pizzas with some salad.
We're having a pizza day? That's amazing! Do you like pizza, Emma?
Of course, pizza is one of my favorites, but I don't have them often.
Then, lucky for you today. My mother is the best pizza maker in the world.
You don't need to say that, Layla.
I'm not kidding, Mom. You're the best. Do you need our help with anything?
Sure, you can get the pizza dough in the fridge and knead it for me.
Do you want to try it?
I'd love to. I've never made a pizza from scratch before.
Okay then, follow my instructions. First, you turn the dough into a ball. After that, you use your hand to stretch it out. Next, you repeat this process for 15 minutes.
This is going to be a challenge, isn't it?
We can take turns if you want to.
15 minutes later.
We're done, Mom. What should we do next?
You girls should let it rest for 10 minutes before rolling it out. Are you making the topping? Yes. Here we have some shrimps and baby squids. Now I'm going to stir fry them before we put them on the dough.
Where's the sauce, Mom?
It's in the pot right over there. The scent is wonderful. What are the ingredients for this tomato sauce?
It's the family secret!
Oh,
Nah, I'm kidding. Actually, I have no idea what's in the sauce. My mom always keeps the recipe a secret from the whole family. She said she learned it from an Italian chef, but I doubt it.
What are you girls whispering about?
Nothing, Mom.
Can you lay the table? Dad's coming home soon.
Sure, Mom. Emma, let's go to the dining room.
No, Layla, we're eating outside today.
Okay, Mom.
Your backyard is so spacious. This is the first time I've been in this area of your house.
Well, I should have introduced this to you earlier. I can take you for a tour after we finish our lunch. Hi, Dad.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. I'm Emma, Layla's friend.
It's nice to meet you, Emma. I heard that you're going to have lunch with us today. It's our pleasure.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Layla, can you bring the dishes outside for me, please?
Yes, Mom. Emma, can you help me place the knives and forks on the table?
Sure. You go ahead and help your mother. 5 minutes later.
Okay, everyone, please find your seat at the table.
Will you sit next to me, Emma?
Of course.
Emma, honey, have a slice of pizza. I hope you'll enjoy it.
Wow, this is the best pizza I've ever had. You're truly the best pizza maker, Mrs. Smith. Thanks, dear, a lot. I'm happy you enjoy our food.
Emma, try this chicken salad my mom made. It's also delicious.
Sure, but I need to finish my pizza first.
I wish every day could be like this.
Like what, sweetie?
Having lunch with my best friend and eat pizza all day.
You really like pizza, don't you, Layla?
Of course. I can have pizza all day without getting tired of it.
So, what have you been doing this summer, Emma?
I'm just staying at home, reading some books, and helping my mother with household chores. And I'm planning to take part in the art club next week.
Is it at the end of Hill Street? We'd like Layla to join that club, but she doesn't appear to be interested in it.
I don't know how to draw, Dad.
A small music club is also in the building. And I know singing is perfect for you, Layla.
Really? So, can I come with you?
Of course.
Great!
Okay, girls, it's time we clear the table.
Can we talk about it?
Yes, but after we help your mother do the dishes first.
All right.